Hi, Saksham Gupta. Okay. I'm waiting for everyone to join. Actually, I joined 5 minutes earlier. Hi, Kanak. Hi, Mimansha Arora. Hi, Anushka Kapoor. Okay. Hi, Neelam Chauhan. Okay. Hi, Mehal. Let others also join, and after that, we started our session. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I want to know that am I audible to you guys? And are you able to see me? Am I audible and visible? Yeah, we'll be starting with it soon. Okay. Thanks, Kanak. We'll start after 1-2 minutes more, okay? Hi, Anushka Kapoor. Okay, Nihal. I'm waiting for everyone to join because right now there are just less people. Okay, Saksam is saying that my voice is not perfectly audible. Is it same happening with others too? I want to ask again that are you all able to listen me clearly or not? Okay, so Anna is saying yes. Okay, very clearly. Okay. Thanks. Is my voice coming very low? I'm confused that it is clear or not. Kindly tell again. Yes, we are able to listen you clearly. Okay, thanks. Okay. Anna is saying that no, your voice is not low. Okay, thanks, Anna. Clear. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks, Saksham. So first of all, let me introduce myself to you. So hey guys, welcome in my channel, and you all might be knowing me from beginning that my name is Siddhi, and I welcome you all in my channel in Knowledge with Fun. Okay, and happy Halloween to you all. Okay, okay, thanks, Kathy. Happy Halloween to you all, and today we are basically here to code something, and we are going to know that what is coding, what is programming, and like what are binary digits, how do computer actually use binary digits, right? And like, okay, so we'll be knowing many other things. So the session is actually a 30 minutes. We'll try to cover as much as we can, okay? Yeah, Saksham, we are about to start, okay. Okay. So first of all, I want to ask that do you guys just have a little idea about programming? Just simply yes or no. That do you have an idea about programming or not? Like what is it? Yes, 0 and 1 is a binary digit. Very good, Saksham. Yes. Okay, Aditi is saying yes. Okay, that's good. What about others? Yes. Okay. Yes. So many are saying yeah, I have some knowledge about it. Okay. So we are going to know more about it. Okay, as right now Saksham Gupta said that 0 and 1 is a binary digits and it's a part of binary language. So we are going to know more about it. How can we convert it into words, pictures? Like how does computer accept that? Okay, like how is computer able to understand that? Yeah, this is what the user wants to say. Okay. So now I'll be sharing my screen with you all guys. Okay, you need to tell me that is it clearly visible to you or not. Okay, hello, Ria. Please you explain in Hindi. Okay. Okay, I'll try to explain both in Hindi as well as in English. Okay. So I'm going to basically use English to explain. Okay. So now I'll be going to share my screen with you all guys, and you need to tell me that is it visible to you or not. Okay. So can you guys see my screen? Kindly tell that can you guys see my screen or not? Is my screen visible to you? Yes. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Akshay. Okay. Yes. So okay. So yeah. Yes. Clearly. Okay. Okay. Start. Yeah. So I welcome you all again. So now let's start. So basically our topic is programming. The first topic that we are having is programming. Okay. So now let me give you an idea about this. That what do we mean by programming? Okay. I think many of you guys have known, but who have not known that so that they can understand. Okay. So program example. First of all, I'll start with an example so that you can understand. Suppose you want to bake a cake. Okay, आपको केक बनाना है बेसिकली एंड व्हाट विल यू डू. ओके, सबसे पहले आप केक बनाओगे. उस जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स है आप उसको यूज करोगे बनाने के लिए, एंड देन यू विल लाइक पुट इट इन अ माइक्रोवेव ओवन. ओके, अभी आप माइक्रोवेव ओवन में पुट करते हो तो ये तो है नहीं कि जैसे आपने उसमें पुट करा, उसमें जैसे ही आपने डाला वैसे ही वो खुद के खुद वर्क करने लगा, भाग भाग के, है ना? ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना. लाइक यू नीड टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन टू इट, आप उसे इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हो कि या आप टेम्परेचर सेट करते हो, या कि यस आपको इतने टेम्परेचर पे बेक होना है, या आपको क्या होना है. ओके, यू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन टू इट, राइट और नॉट? Yes, you give instruction to a machine or not, or it works by its own. Because in this generation, अभी इस generation में we don't have like total artificial intelligence. कि yeah, yes, they have thinking and they can work like humans. Okay, just like robots. Yeah. So they need to actually I can see that. Can you all listen to me as well? Yes, okay, okay. I thought that you guys are not able to listen me. Okay. So basically you used to input the temperature, that on which temperature should it bake on, and you give instruction to that machine, right? Similarly, अगर आपको ऐसे वर्क करना होता है, सपोज सपोज आप कंप्यूटर को भी, अब कंप्यूटर एज यू नो द कंप्यूटर इज अ डम मशीन, मीन्स एकदम बुद्धू है, उसे कुछ भी नहीं आता, लाइक आता है लेकिन वो खुद वर्क नहीं करती है. जब तक वी विल नॉट टर्न द कंप्यूटर ऑन, टिल द टाइम इट विल नॉट वर्क. जब तक हम उसे ऑन नहीं करते तब तक वो खुद वर्क नहीं करती. एंड तब भी वो मतलब जब तक हम उसे ऑपरेट नहीं करते. अभी आई एम मूविंग दिस कर्सर विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस. ये तो है नहीं कि खुद मूव हो रहा है. देखो, सी आई एम मूविंग दिस कर्सर, सो इट मीन्स दैट I'm using a mouse and I'm operating it and dragging it basically, right? So, in same, a computer cannot work by its own. We need to give instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. In order to make computer do a certain thing, we need to give instruction to it. उससे कोई भी काम कराने के लिए आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन देना होता है. एग्जाम्पल, आप कंप्यूटर में पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहे हो, देन आपको सारा इनपुट आपको करना होता है ना, राइट? दैट यू नीड टू ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, यू नीड टू ओपन दिस टैब एंड देन यू नीड टू ड्रैग दिस बॉक्स राइट हियर, राइट? यस और नो? या. So you actually do like that. So अभी आपके पास क्वेश्चन आता है that yeah, we need to give commands to it. अब आता है कि how can we give commands to it, because इसमें तो हम लोग straight away वर्क कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर को कमांड्स नहीं दे रहे हैं एक्चुअली, राइट? कि कंप्यूटर आप हमारे लिए ये वाला वर्क करो. Isn't it so? So we are actually making computer do a certain task. हम उसे instructions दे रहे हैं. So अभी आपका क्वेश्चन होगा कि like how can we give instruction to the computer? हम कंप्यूटर को instructions कैसे दें? So as we know that we have our own language. हम लोग इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, हिंदी में करते हैं, चाइनीज, जापानीज and so on, blah blah blah, right? But computer cannot understand the language. It has its own language which needs to be understood. है ना? Now, can any one of you tell me that Saksham has already told this answer to me, but I want to ask that, do you know that what is computer's language? Any one of you can tell me this answer, the answer to this question, that what is computer's language? Yes, I'm waiting for your reply. Let anyone of you know what is computer's language? Yes, it has its own language like band and many more. Okay, anyone else? Saksham, you're right. Yes. Okay, leave it. So yeah. So its language is basically binary language. So the computer has its own language, which is known as binary language or language of zeros and ones. Okay. So this binary language is also known as language of zeros and ones. Okay. So we will be knowing more about it a little later. अभी हम और जानते हैं and then हम इसके बारे में बाद में भी बात करेंगे कि how can we convert it and etc. Okay. So अभी हम आते हैं प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पे कि what is programming language. पहले तो हमने पढ़ा प्रोग्रामिंग क्या है. When we give instruction to a computer to perform a certain task, right? जब हम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर टास्क परफॉर्म करने के लिए, that is called the binary. That is called the programming, right? Okay. So in order to give instructions to the computer, there are some languages which are built. Okay, which acts as a console or translator. It means that if you want to give instruction to the computer, we cannot give it like that. As we give to our dog sit down, doggy sit down. No, no, because computer is a machine and it has its own language. It has its own language which needs to be understood, right? So, अभी हमें computer. अब example. Okay, if you are Indian and you have visited China, right? If you are Indian and you have visited China, so अभी आपको अपनी बातें उनको बतानी है, और you want to know that what they are trying to speak. आपको उनको अपनी बात बतानी है and उनकी बात सुननी है. So what will you do? अब you know English, you know English and Hindi, you don't know Chinese. So how will you work with it? Yes, please tell that how will you work with it? We can say a special language. Saksham, I am asking that अगर आप Indian हो and you know English and Hindi and you have visited China, so अभी Chinese को आपकी language नहीं आती and आपको उनकी language नहीं आती, right? So then how will you make them understand what you are trying to say? आप कैसे करोगे? Both. Okay, so Saksham is basically trying to say that हमें Chinese भी सीखनी पड़ेगी. Okay, that's also a way. But अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करते तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Yes, I'm waiting for your replies. What will you do when you are in such type of situation? Like example, आप लोग शायद ताजमहल गए होंगे. Okay, so you might have seen that the foreigner people who came to India to watch Taj Mahal, they used to hire a translator. Okay, yeah, isn't it so? That they used to hire a translator which tell them, no, I'm not saying. Okay, it's okay. So you basically need to hire a translator in order to understand. So you might have seen that when a foreigner people visited Taj Mahal, so they used to hire a translator so that the translator can tell them about our rituals. Okay, yeah. Yes. So that is why same as the programming language. Programming language is basically like a translator or a consoler, which is to console our language. Which means that suppose हमने कंप्यूटर में instructions दिए English में, okay, then this programming language will take our instruction and will travel to CPU. Okay, so it will go in a train and then it will reach CPU, right? So CPU में जाने के बाद it will say that see I have got the English, see I have got what humans are trying to give us instruction. Now CPU will translate it into the computer language. Okay, and then it will further proceed. Okay, so इस तरीके से it works. Okay, so सबसे पहले हमारी instructions computer को programming language को जाते हैं. Programming language उन्हें translate करती है and then उसको CPU तक पहुंचाती है. Okay, so it means that high knowledge C, हाँ. So it means that basically जो programming language होती है, what it used to do, that it used to take our language, okay, what we used to input in the computer, it used to take those languages and then translate it into the computer language and then transfer it to the CPU, okay, and then CPU can understand that yeah, that what are the humans trying to say. Okay, Abhi, any one of you can tell me that why the programming language has taken our instructions to the CPU only, not any other part like mouse, keyboard or any other part. CPU को ही क्यों CPU के पास ही क्यों लेके गया programming language? Yes, I'm waiting for the answer that why programming language take our instruction to the CPU only. Yeah, CPU will only convert. Why so? We have learned it in first class also that what is CPU called. Now have you got? I'm waiting for the replies. Okay, so recently Plucky Anand answered me, okay? Because CPU is the brain of computer. Wow, that's what I want. So the answer is because as we know that CPU is the brain of computer. Do you guys know that or not? Yes or no? Have you studied that CPU is the brain of computer or not? Yes, guys. Yes or no? I'm waiting for your replies. Uh, please chat in the live chat box. That have you guys studied about it or not? Okay, so Plucky and I'm just saying that yes. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So now we have known that why the programming language takes it to the CPU and it processes, right? So okay, so programming language, let's just conclude that programming language helps us in translating our language into the language which is understood by computer. Okay, so programming language is like a translator. Okay, is a translator or a consoler, you can say, which is to translate our language to the language which is accepted by computer. Okay, so let's just further proceed. So there are around 700 types of programming language. Some popular ones are Python, JavaScript, C, C++, HTML, and so on. Can you tell me any other example of programming language if you guys know? Yes. Any other example of programming language? Okay, I'm waiting for your replies. Please post fast. Do you guys know any other example? Okay, so Plucky Anand has commented me that it is PHP. Okay, very good. Scratch, very good. Yeah, Scratch is also. Any other? Okay, okay, leave it. Yeah. So there are many types of programming languages. Means there are around 700. Can you imagine 700 different programming languages? Okay. Some popular ones are Python. You might have heard its name. JavaScript is very it is very popular nowadays. And JavaScript is actually presented in those softwares like code.org. It is mainly present in the blog. block ones. Okay, Scratch is a block is actually a block-based programming language, and JavaScript is presented in those block-based programming language. Okay, so let's further proceed. So basically, in our session, we'll be learning about C language. Okay, C is a language, C is a programming language, and we are going to learn about C programming language. Okay. So now the question is that why only C? Why not any other language? Because it is a basic language. Now why it is basic language? Siddhi, your voice is too slow now. Is it happening with others also? Kindly chat and tell. Is it happening with others also? Are you now able to hear me? Khurana sisters? Yes? Kindly tell that are you able to hear me now or not? I think so you are able to. Okay. So C is a basic language. And now why is it basic language? Because it's a very popular language. And it is also called mother of all languages. यानी जो भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस है उनकी मदर ऑफ ऑल लैंग्वेज मीन्स उनकी मदर कौन कहलाती है सी लैंग्वेज why yes properly okay thanks okay why because its memory storage is very flexible means it allows us to store at a very high space okay yeah and it is actually not limited by values operating system which means that it is mainly used for creating operating systems and it is a best language compiler one of the best language compiler which means that it allows us to compile our language very easily and very nicely, right? Okay. So now let's further proceed. Okay, so now we have come up on the very interesting topic. That is binary language. All the languages of zeros and ones. We are going to know that how we can convert it into our normal system. No, now it's clear. Okay, thanks. Okay. So first of all, I want to show you this. Are you aware of this system? This is our normal language of numbers, right? Because in a normal number language, we have one at the one place, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, or 100,000, right? So this is a normal language, and its place values are this, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and then 100,000. Okay, right? So you all might be having studied about it. Okay, now we come up to binary language. So in binary language, the place values are these. They are multiplied by 2, which means the first place value is 1. So, and then 1 2s are how much is 1 multiplied by 2? What is 1 multiplied by 2? Yeah, 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So our next place value is 2. What is 2 multiplied by 2? Yeah, 4. So, yeah, 2 and the next one is 4. So basically you can observe that in binary language, the place values are, okay, thanks. Yeah. So in binary language, the place values are multiplied by 2, which means that 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, and 128 into 2 is equal to 256. Right? So how many of you have got this? That how does the place value of binary language works? How many of you have got this? आप में से किन को अंडरस्टैंड किन को समझ आ गया है कि how does binary language place value work? Okay, Khurana sisters is saying that yes, she has got. Rest haven't got. Or I need to explain again. Okay, Kanak is saying yeah, me. Okay. Anyone else? Or just to have understood? Because see, it is very easy. You just have to multiply the digit with 2. 1, 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 and 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128 and so on. Okay, very easy. How many you have understood? Okay. Okay, Kanak is saying Khurana sisters, okay. Garima, okay. 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 So now we are going to proceed that how can we convert normal number system into binary language? Okay. So अभी आपको बहुत ध्यान से सुनना because this topic is actually very very important and you need to know it. Okay. Please tell again. Okay. Okay. I will repeat. हाँ. So इनकी जो place values होती है they are actually multiplied by 2. देखो. Okay, suppose first we will take 1, okay? We'll take the first whole number as 1, okay? So सबसे पहले 1 and 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. आपको हर 1 को आपको 2 से multiply करना है and then जो आपका आंसर आएगा उसे भी 2 से multiply करना है. Okay? Have you understood now? Yes or no? It is yeah, Mihal. Have you got it that how does it work? 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 into 2 and 8 into 2. Okay, it is multiplied by 2. Okay, now you have. Okay, very good. So अभी आपको बहुत clearly and बहुत carefully सुनना है because it is the most important part. Okay. So binary language works like सबसे पहले you need to write 1 at the place. अभी I prefer to Hindi so that you can better understand. Okay. So आपको जो वर्ड होता है you only use 1 and 0. जहाँ आप 0 वहाँ पे यूज करते हो जहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं डालना which means that आप 16 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 0 यूज करें which means 0 कि वहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा. अब I want to write 1 so मैं 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लिखूंगी and बाकी सब के पे 0 0 0 0. Okay? Have you got it? 1 लिखने के लिए 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लिखना है. 2 लिखने के लिए 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे लिखना है. 4 लिखने के लिए 4 की पे लिखना है एंड 8 लिखने के लिए 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू के नीचे 1 लिखना है. Have you understood? Kindly tell that have you got this one की आपको 1 उन्हीं प्लेस वैल्यू पे लिखना है जहाँ आपको 1 वहीं लिखना है जिनकी प्लेस वैल्यू ऊपर लिखी है. ओके. Okay, so yes, you have got it. A big question comes like you want to write 3 and odd number. So अभी क्या करोगे? 1 की भी तो लिख दिया, चलो 2 के पे भी लिख दिया, 4 के में 4 की जगह लिख दिया, 8 के में 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे लिख दिया, 16 के में 16 पे. लेकिन if you want to write a number between this 4 and 8, तो आप क्या करोगे? और 2 and 1 के बीच में क्या करोगे? Now, any one of you can tell me that what is 2 plus 1? Any? Okay, Khurana sister. Anyone of you can tell me that what is 2 plus 1? Okay, yeah, 3. 3, very good. So, in order to write 3, आपको 2 की place में 1 लिखना है and 1 की place पे 1 लिखना है. Why? And बाकी सब की place पे 0 0 0 0. Again, I'll explain you. हाँ, so जिसके में भी आपको जोन से भी आपको डिजिट लिखना है. Suppose you want to write 1, so आप 1 की place पे 1 लिखोगे. 2 लिखने के लिए आप 2 की प्लेस पे 1 लिखोगे एंड बाकी सब 0. I zoom it and then show it to you. See. Okay? So, आप 1 की प्लेस in order to write 1, you will राइट 1 at the place value of 1 and 2 लिखने के लिए आप 2 के नीचे लिखेंगे. ओके 3 लिखने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे 2 + 1 3 यानी कि आप 1 की जगह पे 1 लिखेंगे एंड 2 की जगह पे 1 लिखेंगे. वेरी इजी isn't it? Khurana sisters, I have not reached it till now. Okay, जब मैं पहुंचूंगी I will explain you definitely. Okay, so in order to write 3 what will you do? आप 1 की place value पे 2 आप 1 की place value पे 1 लिखेंगे and 2 की place value में 1 लिखेंगे. So 1 + 2 is equals to how much? 3. So have you got it? Yes or no? Have you got this one? Yeah, okay. That's good. So now you have got that how to write 3. 4 is very easy. Just write 1 at the place value of 4 and rest 0 0. Okay, so it is going to be 0. You can take see just like मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Okay, हाँ. So this is the common language of numbers. अगर आपको 1 लिखना है तो मैं 1 की जगह कितने 0 लगा लूँ. See. Okay. So this is 1. मैंने 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लिखा है बाकी सब मैंने 0 लगा दिया. So will it matter? इससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा? Yes or no? Will it matter if I add 0 before the number? Any number के आगे मैंने 0 लगा दिया. Not in decimal. I'm talking about normal system. Normal whole number. Yes or no? Okay, Prakhyan is saying no. No, very good. Because अगर आपने लिखा है 10, suppose I've written 10 right here. Okay, suppose this is my, okay, I've written 10. Okay, this is my 10. 1 0. मैंने 1 0 के आगे 0 लगा दिया. So it will not matter if I take it to 1 0 1. So that will matter. But if I add 0 to it, it will not matter. 0 1 0 1. It will be still taken as 101. Very easy, right or not? Okay. So इसी तरीके से if you want to write 1 and तो आपको एक 0 तो definitely लगाना पड़ेगा. 1 और 2 और 4 0 तो आपको लगाने पड़ेंगे. 2 तो at least maximum 0 है. But instead of this, अगर मैं like in this situation, okay, so मैंने यहाँ लिखा 1 and 1 which means 3. अभी आप इससे कैसे पढ़ोगे बाइनरी डिजिट्स में 11 और 3. Tell fast 11 or 3. Okay, Saurabh, control. Okay. So how will you read this? 11 और 3 इसमें बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में 1 and 1 I've written it like this. Okay. So बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में आप इसे 11 पढ़ोगे या 3 पढ़ोगे? Tell fast. You will read out this as 11 or 3. Okay, 3. Yeah. So we read it out as 3. Abhi will come at 4. Siddhi, please explain this again. Okay, I will. So yeah, so 3 को लिखने के लिए you need to write 1 at the place value of 2 and 1 at the place value of 1. See, आपको पता है 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So अगर आप 1 2 के प्लेस पे लिखोगे and 1 1 की प्लेस पे लिखोगे, so it will give you 3, right or not? Have you got it now, Khurana sisters? Yes or no? आपको बस सिंपली 1 2 की प्लेस पे लिखना है 1 1 की प्लेस पे लिखना है and rest all 0 0 0 0 because we count this 1 plus 1 is also 3. I mean to say 1 at the place value of 2 will give you 2 and 1 at the place value of 1 will give you 1. So 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 और 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Have you got it or no? Just give it a big shout out, okay? Yeah, it will give you 3. Very good. So it means that you have guys understood this part also. अब fourth पे आते हैं. Okay. So अभी आपको fourth की place value पे 1 लगानी है, बाकी सारे 0 0. जो उसके बाद वाले 0 वो तो आपको definitely लगाने पड़ेंगे. लेकिन अगर आप यहाँ पे 1 लगा दोगे एंड यहाँ पे 0 रखोगे तो वो 1 ही बनेगा ना. See? Can you see? कि अगर आप 1 इधर लगा दोगे, 1 की सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे 1 लगा दिया एंड मैंने इसे 0 बना दिया. So what will it give you? 1 or 4? जल्दी tell fast. It will give you 4 or 3. से ध्यान से पढ़ो कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे मैं 0 लगा दूं और यहाँ पे मैंने 1 लगा दिया तो what will it give you? Yes, 1, right. So हमें बात के डिजिट्स का अच्छे से ध्यान रखना है. We need to be careful about it, okay? Because अगर हम यहाँ लगा देंगे so it will be wrong. वो तो 1 कंसिडर होगा 4 की जगह. Okay. So अभी next है 5. 5 को लिखने के लिए we will use the funda of 3. Okay. Okay ज्योति बात. So we will use the funda of 3. Okay. हमने 3 में क्या करा था? 2 plus 1. वैसे ही आपको पता है 4 plus 1 कितने होते हैं? How much is 4 plus 1? Yes, tell fast. How much is 4 plus 1? Very easy. Still I'm asking you. 5, right. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Very good. Okay, so 4 plus 1 gives you 5. So if you put 1 at the place value of 4 and 1 at the place value of 1, so it will give you 5 because 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So अगर आपसे बोलूं, if someone gives you a question कि binary language में, in binary language how much is 101? 101 बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में क्या होता है? सो व्हाट विल यू गिव द आंसर? क्योंकि 1 की एक तो 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1, फिर 2 की पे 0 एंड 4 की पे 1, तो 1 प्लस 1, तो अब 1 प्लस 1 तो 2 होते हैं, लेकिन इनकी वैल्यूज को हमें प्लस करना है, यानी कि ये 4th की प्लेस पे रखा है, सो वी विल टेक इट एज 5 बिकॉज़ okay, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Very easy. आपको अगर if you don't understand it, then after this video will end, you can just play this video again. Okay, after this live session will end, you can play this video again and watch the part. Okay, so as you know that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Very easy. It is not difficult at all. अभी. Okay, now the quiz coming up. इसका आंसर को आप खुद देना. Okay. So now the quiz coming up. मैं आपको बस वैल्यूज दिखा दूंगी, इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू पहले वो दिखा दूंगी बस. अभी आपको बताना है in order to write 6 what will you use? आप 6 को लिखने के लिए क्या यूज करोगे? 4 plus what gives you 6? So आप मेरे को बताओ, ऐसे लिख के बताओ कि 1, जैसे इधर we have written 100 to write 4, 101 to write 5. What will you write? आप क्या लिखोगे? 4 की वैल्यू, एक तो 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1, दैट इज आई हैव गिवन यू अ हिंट. और आप कहाँ लिखोगे 1? Yes, Plucky Anas has commented. Okay, Amit Rana, I mean Garima has also commented. Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to try? Okay. So yeah, very good. Both of you. The answer is 110. Why? Because as you know that 4 plus 2 कितना होता है? 4 plus 2 gives you 6, right or not? 4 plus 2 आपको क्या देता है? 6 देता है, right? So आप 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लगाएंगे and आप 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लगाएंगे in order to get the answer as 6, right? Have you got it or not? Yes or no? Fast, yes or no? Have you got it? Yes, very good, Nihal. Okay, so basically Okay, good. So B, मतलब आपको आ गया that how can you write the numbers? Okay, we'll discuss more. अभी हम और discuss करते हैं, और भी डिटेल discuss करनी है. अभी we have actually, yeah. So अभी आता है 7 plus 7 कैसे लिखोगे? अब तो अब 7 कैसे लिखोगे? It is very easy, very 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 easy. अभी तो आपके लिए ये एकदम स्नैप है. अभी चुटकी का खेल, just very easy. Hint 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. अब जल्दी से बताओ कैसे लिखोगे. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. तो आप कैसे लिखोगे 7? Okay, मैंने स्लाइड चेंज कर दी so that you can't cheat. Okay, very good. Yeah, correct. Anyone else? Yeah, 4 plus 3 gives you 4 plus 3 gives you 7. So how will you write? By 101. कैसे? एक 4 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लिखेंगे, एक 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 एंड एक 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1. Very easy, okay? So 111 gives you 7. Okay? Right or not? Have you got it or not? Yes or no? Fast, yes or no? Have you got it or not? Okay. Okay. So now let's just proceed. Now let's just complete this one, 8 and 9 and 10. Okay. So in order to write 8, आप simply 8 की place value पे 1 लिख दूंगे and बाकी सारे 0 0 0 0. Very easy as you think. आप लोग सोचोगे कि कंप्यूटर is actually very hard working, वो binary language कैसे समझ लेता. हमारी तो इतनी easy है. Computers having such difficult language. It is not difficult at all. It is very easy if you understand the concept behind it, that how can you convert it or not. Okay. So yes, you guys have got it. Okay, that's so cool. So in order to write 8, आप simply 8 की place value पे 1 लिखोगे and rest all 0. Okay. Yeah. अब before writing 9, very easy. अभी जैसा हम लोगों ने कहा था ना 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, वैसे ही. Tell the answer. What are you going? How are you going to write 9? Very easy. 1 की place 8 की place value पे 1 and then what? Yes, tell them what? Comment fast. मैंने hide कर लिया जिससे you can't tell. एक तो 1, एक को 8 की place value पे 1 and then किसकी और की place value पे 1. जल्दी बताओ. How will you write 9? Comment fast. I'm waiting for your answer. See, very easy. It is very easy. आप बस 8 की place value पे 1 लिखेंगे and 8 plus 1. Okay, I'm repeating the question. Okay. So how will you write 9? So as you know that हमने जैसे 2 plus 1 करा था वैसे लिखना है and जैसे हमने 4 plus 1 करा था 5 लगाने के लिए. Very easy. Just tell how will you write. Very good. Karma, you rock it. Okay, your answer is correct. It is 1001. Why? Because आप 8 की place value पे 1 लिखेंगे and then 1 की place value पे 1 लिखेंगे. So 1 plus 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. So that gives you 9. Right? I think others are not understanding because only 2 are answering and rest are not. What happened? Have you guys not understood it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Have you guys got it or not? Because only 2 are answering and rest are not. I want the answer fast. Okay, yes. So yeah, if you guys have got late in this session, so after this session will end, you will get the video of it in the YouTube. You can watch it anytime. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to 10. अभी जैसे हम लोगों ने करा था ना 4+2 = 6, वैसे ही बताना है दैट 8 plus what is equals to 10. Okay, I've already told the answer. Just आपको बताना है कि what is going to be the answer. And इस बार डरेना, just hold on. Okay, you need to answer a little later on. Let someone else answer first. Okay, so answer what is going to be there. 8 plus what gives you 10? 8 plus what gives you 10? It is very easy. Okay. No one answered. No one is answering. 8 plus what gives you? Okay, 1 0 1 0. Very good. Because हम 8 की जगह पे 1 लिखेंगे and 2 की जगह पे 1 लिखेंगे. So 1 0 1 0. Okay. 8 plus 2 gives you 10. Very good, मुस्कान. आपको इसे बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लिखेंगे एंड 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1 लिखेंगे एंड देन रेस्ट 0 0 0 0. राइट? ओके, इट इज एज सिंपल एज इट. ओके, सो अभी वी हैव लर्न दैट हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट आवर डिजिट्स इनटू बाइनरी लैंग्वेज. सिंपल नंबर इनटू बाइनरी. अभी आई विल आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. Now question time coming up. Okay, so just hold your breath and get ready to answer. Who will answer first will be getting a shout out. Okay. Okay. So abhi question is that how will you write how will you write 22? Fast time start now. How will you write 22? I'll be going to write it here also. How to write 22? How to write 22? Fast, come on. Hurry up, think. Very easy it is. I have already shown you this. Place value chart. You can easily get it. How will you get to know about how can we write 22 in binary language? Very easy it is. I give you a hint. 16 plus what gives you 22? 16 plus what gives you 22? 16 plus what gives you 22? Okay, this is a hint. Abhi you can understand it. It is very easy. जिनको समझ आ गया, they will answer. I know. 16 plus what gives you 22? Okay. So tell fast. No one has answered till now. Okay, Kanak has answered that 1 0 1 1. Think so. Kanak, I think that you have missed the 0 because 16 is at 5th place. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you have missed a place. Yes, you will add 6 to it. Okay, abhi batao ki how will you write it in binary language? 16 के आगे नीचे 16 की प्लेस वैल्यू पे 1, राइट? एंड देन फिर आपको 6 लिखना है. 6 की ये है वैल्यू. यू कैन सी इट राइट हियर. इट इज वेरी इजी. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. इफ यू थिंक यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट इट. ओके, जस्ट थिंक. Push your mind and think. Okay. देखो 16 की जगह पे 1 लिखेंगे एंड 6 कैसे लिखते हैं? 6 की वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ लिख दी है. ओके, सो अभी बताओ क्या लिखना है. इट इज वेरी इजी. मैंने अभी आपको आंसर भी दिखा दिया है. आई हैव शोन यू द आंसर टू. अभी मैंने आपको करके दिखाया था. हाउ विल यू राइट? Lucky Hanand has answered. Okay. will tell the result later on. First, let everyone answer, okay? So, Kanak has also answered 10110. Okay. Anushka Kapoor has answered 1011. You have missed the zero, Anushka. There is one more zero should be there after something. Think about it. Because 1011 will give you what? आपने यहाँ 1011 will give you 1011. It will give you 11. See, अगर if I write 8 की place value पे 1, then 2 की place value पे 1, यहाँ 4 की place value पे 0, and then 1 की place value पे 1. So 8 plus 2 plus 1, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. It will give you 11, not what I'm saying. So think about it. Okay, so okay, she got it. Yeah. Nihal is also saying 10110. Okay, Garima is also saying that. Okay, so I think that you guys have understood that this is the correct answer. Very good. All of you did a very good job. It is 10110. How and why? That is very easy. See, I'll like instead of 10, I'll take it up 10. So wait, not instead of 10. See, this is 6 का binary digit ये है, right? Isn't it so? 110 is 6 digits. Okay. So अगर आपको बस 16 की जगह आपको 1 लगाना, it is as simple as you think. See, 10110 will give you 22. Why? Because 16 plus 4 plus 2 will give you 22. It is very simple. Now tell that who have not understood, because I think that everyone should got it now. Yes? Who all have not got it? Please chat in the comment box. Who all have not got it? Yes or no? Yes if you have got it, no if you have not got it. Yes if you have got it, no if you have not got it. Yes, tell first, guys. Yes. Okay, that's great. Okay, so it had actually been 6:55 now. So actually, it is being actually 1 hour for me. 5 minutes for 1 hour to complete. Okay, so hope you all guys have enjoyed. We cannot continue this session as you also might have some work or I also have, that is why. Okay, hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, do comment down in the comment box, and also just keep on supporting and loving me by subscribing my channel, and also share the video to all your friends. And yeah, next video में I'll update you about the next video. Next video में बहुत important term we'll study about कि words को binary digit में कैसे convert करें. That is so like wow. अब letters को binary digits में कैसे convert करें, we are going to learn that in our next session. Okay, so I'll update you about it, and yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel, जिससे आपको you can know about my more upcoming events like this. Okay, so you all guys have enjoyed, I think so. I have also enjoyed a lot by actually discussing things with you. Okay, so that was a very amazing experience with you all. Okay. Okay, Kavana sisters, okay, we'll do join. Okay. At 8 p.m. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed a lot, and keep showering your blessings like this. And and I think that you guys can see your chat coming up. Okay. So yeah, guys. So after I end this session, the video is going to be recorded and it is going to be there in YouTube. Okay, it is going to be there on YouTube. You need to share it among all your friends so that they can also understand this pretty cool binary digits and how to convert it and about programming, right? How many of you guys have enjoyed in this session? Yes? How many of you have enjoyed? Yes. Okay, so Kanak is saying that she enjoyed. Okay. I enjoyed the session very, very much. That's so nice to hear. Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you everyone. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming events. And I will be continuing this session, remember, huh? Okay. In And also subscribe my brother's channel, Plucky Earner. The link is in description box. Do check it out. Okay. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.